Hello, this is the Handshake, and welcome to this is New Vision TV. We'll try to look at what's happening in the economy. With me is Edna Ruth Mobiru. Edna, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Lynn.
Edna, there's something I landed on called bank assurance, and the bank is BANCA, bank assurance. That means there's bank and then assurance. What is that?
Bank assurance is an arrangement. Like I said, there's bank and assurance.
Yes.
It's an arrangement between insurance companies and banks.
Right.
So what happens is that because the insurance companies already have a business up and running, they are trying to tap into the customer base of banks. So the banks are going to start selling these products as part of their portfolios.
Wow.
Yes.
Has it started in Uganda?
Yes, it has. A few licenses have been given out to a number of banks, and it's ready to roll. In 2016, when the Financial Institutions Act was amended, was passed, we got a number of new products. That's when agent banking was. Oh yes, yes. They accepted to let banks get agents. Then they allowed banks to sell insurance products, and they also that's when Islamic banking was also.
Yeah, that's the time all those things came in.
Yes,
but so you know, bank assurance was never mentioned a lot.
It wasn't mentioned a lot in the beginning. I think that most of the conversation has been about agent banking, because the banks have really rolled out and they're pushing agent banking. Now, and also because they are the banks, this is their products, they can use it. But now the bank assurance products should be pushed by the insurance
companies. Yes. Wow. So this means I can go to my bank and they can sell to me the insurance products.
Yes, you can.
Of my choice.
Yes. If a bank is an agent, because now the bank is an agent of an insurance company, yes, they can sell you whatever insurance product that you're looking for.
So when you walk into the banks that are actually, that have, what do they call it? That have been certified, is it? No.
Licensed.
Licensed, yes. Have been licensed. There's an insurance agent there.
There should be somebody who is part of the bank, but then is offering, is dealing with the customers who want insurance. Yes.
So what requirements?
It's the Insurance Regulatory Authority that is reaching out to, that is giving these guys the licenses to do this business.
Okay.
So they have a list of requirements, I'm sure. But then again, they are financial institutions, so they probably already meet some of these requirements.
Yes.
So if Insurance Regulatory Authority says that these guys are good to sell their product, then they can give it. I cannot list the
I know.
Yes. But they do the due diligence and then the partnership with the banks and
there's regulations also going on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So as a person, does that become easier for me? Because I always find it hard going to insurance companies and then starting. But going to the bank, how does this help me?
You have more access, because banks have branches all over the country.
True.
So what the insurance companies are doing is tapping into this network. And if this network is spread out further, and the products are an easier reach for you, the customer. Yes, and then of course, the benefit to the insurance guys is that the banks already have a customer base.
Yeah.
You see, so they already have the numbers, and these are the numbers that the insurance firms have been trying to get for a long time. Less than 1% of our population is insured. So, and yet we have a bigger population that is banked.
Yeah.
So what they're doing is really creating a synergy. You have the numbers, we have the products. Let's sit in your space where your people find you, and then they find us.
It would actually be easier, because now it saves you from going to the bank, withdrawing money and taking it to the insurance
to pay them.
So the transfers also become easier.
It becomes easier, yes. And then there are banks that have decided to create insurance products within their products, because they've got these licenses. So, for example, if I have a savings account or a child's account in a certain bank, there are benefits that I'm going to get, maybe medical insurance.
Yes,
so they're creating products and they're adding insurance to some of their existing products.
That's very smart.
Yeah.
Do you know any banks?
Yes, just last week I think DFCU rolled out. There are about 6 banks that have already rolled out. They got their licenses from IRA and they are ready to roll. So
and others will
definitely. I think it's a good product.
Yes, it is.
If we can ride on your numbers, why not? Yeah. So I think it's a good product that we hope it will translate into more people being insured.
I'm going to ask you a very common question. The banks, bafunira muwa,
they get a commission. Yes. Because I mean, you're sitting in our space. We are selling your product,
tapping into our clientele.
Yes, so there'll be a commission paid for the product.
Per maybe per client.
Yes, by whatever policy you sell, they must have worked out their
something.
Yes, but their commissions.
I think it's a very good thing. It makes insurance easier, access to insurance rather. Most people don't. People walk up to you and they're selling you insurance products and you're thinking, what the heck is going on? But well, now that they're at our banks, well, perhaps we should think about these things. And insurance is good.
Yes,
the other day, the government passed, what was it? The health insurance scheme?
We've been trying to get national health insurance.
National, yes,
national
national
we've been trying
health.
to do it for a while. I think it's the model that hadn't been clearly spelled out.
So it's still not yet clear.
Yes,
still not yet clear. But well, so look out for those insurance companies that in your banks and the banks that have been licensed. You might get yourself a very good deal. Yeah. Thank you so much, Edna.
Thank you, Lynn.